In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a quiz from Microsoft Forms to Microsoft Teams in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're an educator, a team leader, or anyone needing to share quizzes efficiently, this guide is meant to ease your process. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. We're going to search for Microsoft Forms. Simply type it into the search bar and hit Enter. It's the quick way to get directly to the Microsoft Forms homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. Make sure to use the correct Microsoft account credentials that are linked to the forms containing the quiz you want to share. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard with all your Forms projects. Look for the specific quiz you want to share with your team in Microsoft Teams. Click to open that particular quiz. Now, you're looking at the interface of your selected quiz within Microsoft Forms. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see 3 small dots. These represent more form settings. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Among the options that appear, you're going to select the one labeled Collaborate or Duplicate. It's crucial to choose the right option to proceed with sharing your quiz correctly. Now that we're in the right place, focus on the section labeled Share as a Template. Here, there'll be an option to click Copy. This action creates a special link, a sort of digital duplicate of your quiz that's ready to be shared. With your link copied, we're now shifting gears to Microsoft Teams. Head over to any Teams channel where you intend to share the quiz. Once there, you have a couple of options. You can paste the link directly into a post within the channel. This method is straightforward and allows all members who see the post to access the quiz quickly. Alternatively, for a more prominent presence, you can use this link to create a new tab in your team. This keeps your quiz accessible and ensures it won't get lost in a stream of other posts or conversations. And there you have it. This simple process allows anyone in your Microsoft Teams to access the quiz you've created. It's a fantastic way to enhance collaboration and streamline access to resources you want others to engage with. Remember, these Microsoft tools were designed to work together seamlessly, making your job easier. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful for you in making the best use of Microsoft Forms and Teams. Until next time, take care and keep leading those great quizzes.